blizzard conditions earlier today here in Augusta from 9 to noon. So that means that the winds reached over 30 miles per hour and visibility was at a quarter of a mile for 3 or more hours. And right now the snow and wind not stopping here in Augusta. Now we talk about driving a lot and staying off the roads, being careful if you have to go out. But one thing I wanted to mention is if you're walking around tonight, you definitely want to be careful. We've seen quite a few pedestrians out here tonight, and the snowbanks are very high. At some point can be even taller than people depending on the angle they're standing or how tall they are as they're heading out, and very hard to see people, especially if you're dressed in darker clothing. Definitely want to make sure to be careful as you're walking out there tonight. So digging out as this storm winds down and we get ready for another storm coming in a couple of days. People will be digging out. We spoke with one man from Hollowell who was doing that today.
I think we got about 18 inches at the house. Yeah. Driving, see, if you take it slow and you got four-wheel drive, you can get where you got to go. But if you don't got to go anywhere, I wouldn't bother going anywhere. Just stay safe.
Yeah, stay inside. That's what I think most people are doing. Very light traffic as we were coming up from Westbrook up here to Augusta tonight. And we haven't seen much out on the roadways here besides plow crews. So a little bit of traffic. But if you can stay in, just stay in tonight. We're going to have more on cleanup efforts coming up tonight at 11. Live in Augusta tonight, Morgan Sturdivant, WMTW News 8.